In the 2000s, cover shooters were everywhere. You had classics coming from every corner of the world. So of course, some tried to do it with their own twist. Some succeeded, others crashed and burned. And even others,
I don't remember you.
Crashed, burned, and somehow became a cult classic. Don't ask me how they managed to do it, it just did. So today we'll be looking at the shining example of this, Kane Lynch 2 Dog Days. I tried to buy the first one, but for some weird reason they removed it from the store. We'll talk about that later. This game is so ass backwards bad. I'm surprised the second one is still on Steam. It's a fucking mess. No two ways about it.
The fuck just happened?
But for some reason, this bad game is good. Now, I'm not talking The Witcher 3 or Ocarina of Time levels of good. But Troll 2 levels of good.
They're eating her! And then they're going to eat me! Oh my god!
You know when you watch a terrible movie and just have a great time because it's so bad? That's exactly what makes this a masterpiece. I'll first tell you this masterfully written story, and then I'll get into why this game is so ass. Now, the game drops you in Shanghai with this bald bastard, Lynch, waiting for his boyfriend Kane. And they start talking, is what I would have said if they talked.
I said she's fine, okay? Don't start fucking around asking.
But they didn't. The audio just cut out, so I had to restart the game. They're here to make a deal. Now, before any real work happens, Lynch wants to go see about this guy, and it immediately goes to shit.
Get back! Hell is this? Well, I'll be damned! Hey! Put down your gun!
Chasing through Shanghai apartments and rooftops. Also, you can just shoot every civilian. No one gives a fuck about them.
Shit! Son of a bitch! Out of my way!
Chasing this fella
He ain't going nowhere.
until he reaches a dead end and we shoot his girl. Either Kane or Lynch do it, I'm not sure. And honestly, I don't care about that dead bitch. Li Long, the guy who we've been chasing, does care, and he cuts his own throat. No bitches! We get picked up by Glazer,
You know you can get your hair washed and a shag for 51.
who facilitated the deal. But we immediately get attacked by Sing's men. Sing? I don't fucking know. And crawl our way into the garage, while Glazer stays cool and level-headed.
The fuck just happened? I don't know. You! Shut it!
On the way out, Glazer tells us something, but I can't hardly hear a word he's saying with all that fucking noise. Pulling up to Sing's sweatshop, we make our way through.
What do we do?
Quietly, and we find Sing. He reveals the woman we killed at the start was the daughter of a corrupt politician, Shang-Chi.
Wanker Lynch. All this because of you?
Fucking all these names, dude. Holy shit. Why's it gotta take place in China? Fuckers. And we shoot a random van. After shooting innocent people, gangsters, and cops, we head out for lunch. Realizing the police are involved, Lynch worries about his girl. Q. When we arrive in the apartment complex, it's already completely overrun by goons, who end up taking our bitch.
Oh, you got to your bitch!
Kane has Sing at gunpoint, but Lynch, like an idiot, knocks him out, hoping to save his girl. Now we start where the intro left us off. in a dumpster, naked, bleeding like a pig. Our bitch is dead. So more about Lynch's girl. Are we supposed to care about her? I mean, we meet her a whole one time in the opening cinematic for a whole 2 seconds. I'll show you. This is all we see. And you want me to care enough about her to go chase some Chinese gangsters? But I digress. And we waddle around Shanghai with our ass out.
Bloody morons! Word, shut it!
After that, we immediately get betrayed by Glazer, but that doesn't take long as it gets fucking domed.
Wait, hear him out! I got a plane! What the hell?
After getting captured, trying to escape on a train, we take a helicopter and fight our way towards Shaanxi, who offers us a deal last minute,
I make this offer.
but Lynch blows his frontal lobe out.
Mr. Lynch,
Get kill cammed, loser! This is like this game is like Game of Thrones with bald cunts.
Lynch? What was that? What the fuck was that?
The last mission is the only mission we play as Kane. And all we do is sneak through an airport and kill a bunch of Chinese lookalikes. We board a random plane. And there's that. The end of the story. This game tries to fool you into thinking it's good, but just like people such as Lynch with long hair on the sides, we can still tell you're a bald cunt. The story's not too bad. It's short which does help since it's a fast story, I guess. The story is only about 2 hours long, which I will absolutely classify as a positive. Other than that, for the time being, this game doesn't look awful. And I do love the setting of this game. You do really feel like you're in Shanghai, gunning down the same guy over and over again. I'll be honest here, the game is shit, but it's a good kind of shit. Like the type of shit you take after a night flight of 12 hours where you're sitting down in the middle seat and the person next to you is sleeping and you can't wake him up. And when you finally come to the airport, you just let it all go. The situation is shit, but the delivery is chef's kiss. The music is a blessing on this turd as well. Perfectly matching the environment and tone. Now, on the other side of the coin, like I said, the game is a masterpiece in trash. Let me start with this. The first time I started the game, I had no audio and had this problem reoccurring a couple of times during the game. And if you don't click fast enough during the loading screen, the game just fucking freezes. I mean, you have to continue while they're still talking or the game will be stuck.
I'll fucking kill you!
What do I look like? The Flash? I'm trying to hear this. Now this one really bothered me. The running animation. The camera during running, the noise during running. Running was just a terrible affair. It will make you sick. It looks like you're gliding while someone runs behind you high on fucking ketamine trying to get the camera on you, but he's constantly being distracted by the floaters in his fucking eyes. Also, Lynch has to make this noise every time he gets shot. What's the point? Just shut the hell up, man. You bald fuck.
Shit.
And when this fat bald cunt gets to a door, and I mean any door, he'll just kick that fucker right off the hinges. Wood splinters flying off and the whole shebang. There's even one door this guy kicks and part of the wall falls off. I mean, I want to know this guy's secret. Fucking one kick man over here. The enemies in cover are truly a sight to behold as well. How bad do you want someone dead to shoot like this? These guys will do some crazy things sometimes. And when you're done fighting, you'll inevitably come up to these doors. I don't know why, but they made it a short cutscene with hard cuts to black at the beginning, and then I don't know why, but it just annoys me to no end. If your buddy's not right next to you, you'll just be standing there like some mongoloid watching his mom make him a cheese toastie. The best part is, this game starts with a disclaimer, right? That they don't want to be racist, and yet I only noticed this on the last level, and yet every Chinese fella has the exact same face. The only ones that don't look like a Chinese oppa is the white guys. Unintentional, my ass. Even despite all this, I mean, listing the positives, it took about 1/10 of the time listing the negatives. It's a masterpiece. I don't think I can recommend you play this piece of shit, but I won't tell you not to either. If you don't mind all the bad parts, I think you should try it, just for the atmosphere and the music. If nothing else, it's just a good time, just short enough to get some enjoyment out of it. What is a game like this without its own little controversy? When people like Gamespot reviewed this game and gave it a 6 out of 10, which is still generous in my eyes, the Eidos company was furious, seeing as how on the same website they had tons of ads running, and it was basically plastered all over the website. They fired that reviewer shortly after that, and people fucking lost it, dooming that game without a second fucking word. Kane Lynch was promoted as this gritty, realistic, brutal shooter, like I said, with ads everywhere, and I do mean everywhere. TV, online, you can't even go to the toilet without fucking reading about dog days. Even I knew about this piece of dog shit when I was younger. This game is a buddy cover shooter that's not even good at that. I mean, your buddy, Kane over here, he's fucking useless. He's shooting, I think, but he's not hitting anything. If you want something done, you have to do it yourself, even though he's right fucking there, running his mouth the whole time. The enemies are fucking stupid, alright? They'll just run full speed at cover and stay there the whole time. Even if you stand next to them, they won't move, they won't relocate. They'll just sit there. They'll break their backs, turning to you, and then start shooting you.
Let's go! Don't shoot!
And sometimes, just out of nowhere, you will die after 1 or 2 hits. I mean instantly, for no apparent reason. You'll be going through the door, bam, you're dead. It's fucking stupid, man. Oh, and the reason they took the first one off of Steam is to work on it. Yeah, I'm serious. They removed it in 2021. Right now, it's the year of our Lord 2025. How much work can you have on a game that's now 18 years old and finished? How the fuck does that work? That shit is never coming back. But look, this thread is still actively getting updates from not 2 months ago. People love these games despite of their flaws, even after all these years. There's magic in these games. They're truly masterpieces in trash. Thank you for watching. Tell me what game you want me to cover next, and smash that subscribe button, you cunt. Watch the video I made on Left 4 Dead here, or the part 1 of my Fallout New Vegas video right here. Now would you be so kind as to leave my fucking house?